simple demonstration how to test if the Earth is heliocentric or geocentric. I've placed a small scaffold board on the ground, placing a nail through one end so I can rotate it gently. I put two GoPro cameras, one at the nailed end and one at the far end. I'm going to take two photos with both cameras, one photo with the board in the same place, so time doesn't affect this experiment, because until I move the board, time hasn't changed. And then I'm going to move the scaffold board a few degrees to the left and take two more photos. And then we will then overlay the pictures and see the water sprinkler in the garden. That can be the sun. So the sun is represented by a water sprinkler. On the water sprinkler there is a brick holding it down, because obviously when I turn the pressure on, it's not connected at the moment, but it sways over. In a moment I'm going to use that brick to give me the information I need. This is two side-by-side views of the pictures as I've taken them. The water sprinkler is the sun, the scaffold board is the Earth, and as I rotate the scaffold board, that represents the Earth spinning. And this is the effect we would see from the equator and the North Pole if pictures were taken. Now look at that red square. I've placed that carefully on the two brick edges, and I've lined the cut and paste image up with the grains on the scaffold board, so you can't make a mistake. All the pictures are the same scale. Obviously I've had to zoom in and cut and paste bits to make it fit, but look at the red box on that picture. Now let's compare both pictures. You can clearly see one red square is narrower than the other. So what you have to remember is this scaffold board is 4 feet long, and that water sprinkler is 17 feet away, and you can still see a difference in such a small scale. Imagine if you're at the North Pole taking a picture, and then you're down the equator like 3,500 miles away, whatever it is, and then the sun's 93 million miles away. It's going to be astronomically different.